Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to our channel Tejas Classes. In today's session, we'll be looking after the complete analysis of IB ACIO Grade 2 Executive Examination of 18th February first shift. In this session, we'll be looking after what is the expected cutoff and what is the exam pattern today and what are the expected questions for the next shifts. Okay, so according to the students' feedback, today's exam level was easy to moderate level and the expected cutoff will be around 70 to 78. Okay, so let's see the questions which I have asked in today's examination. Yeah, let's see the complete analysis of it. In general awareness, the level of examination was difficult and the good attempt was 9 to 10 out of 20. Okay, so in logical or reasoning ability, the level was very easy and you can attempt easily up to 18 to 19 and good attempt number score will be 18 to 19. In general study, that is general awareness, the level was difficult. Okay, so static GK was asked and good attempt is 10 to 12. Okay, and in quantitative aptitude, level was easy, so good attempt will be 70 to 18. In English, exam level was easy and good attempt is around 18 to 19. Okay, so overall analysis of the examination is moderate level and good attempt will be 70 to 78 and the cutoff will be reaching around 65 to 72. Okay, 65 to 72. If you fall in this category, so you can start your preparation for the next tier. Okay, yeah friends, see, let's see the general awareness questions asked in today's first shift. Okay, so who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Guys, who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Hevo Ume was the founder of Indian National Congress. Questions from freedom struggle. Okay, next question, Baradoli Satyagraha is related to whom? Baradoli Satyagraha is related to Mr. Sardar Vallabhai Patel. So questions are asking from freedom struggle, so take care of the topic and just go through it. And next thing, question from space and technology, the maximum number of satellite launched. Okay, the maximum number of satellites launched, answer ISRO or SpaceX, depends on option. I mean, the question may be which country has launched the maximum number of satellites, so answer may be ISRO or SpaceX. So whichever is present in the option, you can mark for it. Okay, so question from freedom struggle and space and technology. And next question is from a polity, from which country fundamental duties are taken? So from which country fundamental duties are taken into your constitution? Answer is USSR, Russia. Okay, and next question of UP, relate, who has won the first, sorry, who is the first woman CM of UP? Okay, sorry guys, who is the first woman chief minister of UP? So answer is Suchitra Kripalani. Suchitra Kripalani is the first chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so questions from CM and governors. Topic is very important. So see again a question, who is the current governor of Nagaland? So answer is Mr. R.N. Ravi. Who is this? Answer is Mr. R.N. Ravi. So question from CM and governors, you can expect a question of related to CM and governors in your next shifts. Okay, and next is Sheikh Chill Storm is presented, is where is Sheikh Yeah, where is Sheikh Chilli Storm situated? It is in Haryana. Sheikh Chilli Storm is situated in Haryana. And who is considered as a young trunk of India? Sorry, who is considered as young trunk? Mr. Chandrasekhar. Okay. Yeah. What is the deciduous trees? I mean, deciduous trees are what is the characteristics of deciduous trees? They shed their leaves, shedding of leaves. Shedding of leaves is a characteristic of deciduous trees in the autumn season. Okay. Next question. See again, question from CM and Governor. Very important topic, guys. Don't miss this topic. Who is the CM of Himachal Pradesh? Answer is Mr. Jairam Thakur. Okay, Mr. Jairam Thakur is the current CM of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. See, Rohit Sharma is related to which sport? Rohit Sharma, you all know him. He is related to cricket. Question from a national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Bandipur National Park is in which state? Bandipur National Park is situated in Karnataka. Okay. So Rajendra Goyal is related to which sports? So questions relating the personalities and the relating sports. Okay. keep a note on these questions, and please revise these topics before going to your future examination. Okay. Rajendra Goyal is related to which sport? Answer is cricket. Okay. Yeah. Where is Bhagavati Fort situated? Question from Monuments and Places of India. Where is Bhagavati Fort situated? It is situated in Maharashtra. Okay. Who is the governor of Meghalaya? See, again a question from a CM and governors. Who is the governor of Meghalaya? Answer is Satyapal Malik. Okay. Answer is Satyapal Malik. Indian yearbook is launched by whom? India yearbook, I guess it is 2020. Okay. India yearbook is launched by Mr. Prakash Javadekar. Okay. Answer is Pravesh. See. Question from CEO, that is CEO and heads of a different institutions. CEO of Tesla company. Who is the CEO of Tesla company? Elon Musk. Elon Musk is also CEO of other famous institution, I mean reputed organization, that is SpaceX. Okay. See, SpaceX. Where is headquarters of SpaceX situated? Please write your answer in the comments. Okay. So CEO of Tesla company is Elon Musk. Yeah. So disease eradicated from Africa. Which is the disease that is being eradicated from Africa? Answer is polio. Okay. Next thing. Which article is related to budget? You have given number of various articles in the options, and you need to select among them. So article 112 is related to budget. Okay. Okay. So question from a polity. The smallest particle of matter, science and technology, sorry, general science. The smallest particle of matter is atom. You all know this. So next question. Sohrai Kovar painting got geographical indication tag, that is GI tag, is from which state? Recently, Sohrai Kovar painting got a geographical indication tag, that is from which state? It is, answer is Jharkhand. Okay, answer is Jharkhand. Yeah. Friends, next question. What is the capital of Sung dynasty? What is the capital of Sung dynasty? Answer is Pataliputra and Vadisha. Pataliputra and Vadisha were the capitals of Sung dynasty. Okay. An Extraordinary Life, a biography of Manohar Parrikar. Who is Manohar Parrikar, friend? Manohar Parrikar ji is the CM of Goa. Okay. So, An Extraordinary Life, a biography of Manohar Parrikar was written by Mr. Sadhguru Patil. Okay, answer is Sadhguru Patil. So, DRDO bike ambulance was launched in which state? Answer is Orissa. DRDO has launched a bike ambulance. It was launched firstly in which state? It is in Orissa. Okay. Acid rain as which acid? Okay. Acid rain as which acid? SO2 and NO2. Sulfuric acid and nitrous oxide. Okay. Sahitya award is given in how many languages? What is Sahitya award, friends? What is Sahitya award? Sahitya award is related to literature. Okay, it is given in the field of literature, and in how many fields it is given? In 24 languages. Okay, in 24 languages. Keetham Lake is in which state? Keetham Lake is in Uttar Pradesh. Question related to lakes. So, see the topics of rivers, lakes, and mountains. Okay. So this there's a chance of asking in this topic. Yeah. So PETA person of 2021 answer is Mr. John Abraham. Yeah, that's it, guys. These are the questions asked in today's session in the first shift. And what are the important topics you need to look over before going to your future shifts? Okay. See, what first thing is CMs and governors. You can expect one question from this topic: who is the CM, who is the governor, and the current affairs related to respective CM and governor of the state, head and CEO of various organizations, international organizations, the headquarters and heads, ISRO, DRDO, space, so the space and technology, the latest satellite launches for the flagship programs of ISRO. You will be asked from this topic, and Indian National Congress, and questions from freedom struggle, and questions from polity also. You can expect one question from polity, and one question from monuments of India. So, who has the builder, where it is present, what is the architecture, Okay, yeah, you can expect questions from these topics. Guys, please concentrate on these topics so that you will be getting a 6 to 7 marks in your pocket. Okay, just go through the topics before going to the exam. Yeah, so now let's see the analysis of reasoning. So what are the questions asked, what are the topics asked in reasoning? Yeah, yeah, one second. Yes, see, the reasoning section was level was easy and good number of attempts were around 18 to 19. Okay, good number of attempts, okay, were 18 to 19. And the questions are from missing number series. One question from missing number series, one mirror image question, two to three analogy questions, one question from blood relation, four questions from coding decoding important, so one mathematical operation question, one seating arrangement, and two syllogism questions, and 6 to 7 from miscellaneous. Okay guys, these are the topics you need to go through. The overall level of reasoning was easy. Okay, yeah. So now quantitative aptitude. So three questions from LCM HCF. Very important topic, guys. This topic is repeatedly asked in various examinations like RRB, NTPC, RRB, JE, so various SSC. So LCM and HCF is very important topic. You can definitely expect 2 to 3 questions in your upcoming shifts. Definitely 2 to 3 questions. Okay, concentrate on this topic. Two questions from number systems, one from percentage, profit on loss, two questions. Okay, simple interest, one question, mensuration, two questions are from mensuration, guys. Make sure that you remember all the formulas. The questions will be basic only and it is related to formulas only. If you know the formulas, you can easily solve these mensuration questions. Okay, one question from boats and streams. So missing number series, one question, it is matrix type, and bar graph was asked in DA section. So two questions were asked and it was very easy. Okay, and one simplification question and four from miscellaneous. So the overall level of quantitative aptitude was easy to moderate. Okay, so let's see the English section. Yeah, so yeah, English section, in English section was very easy. So the good number of attempts were also from 18 to 19. These are the good number of attempts. Okay, so synonyms, two questions from synonyms, spell check, that is spelling, one question from spellings, parajumble, 5 questions, close test, 5 questions, fillers, 4 questions, and sentence arrangement, 3 questions, and one reading comprehension. Okay, so these are the important topics in English. You go through these topics and make sure that you attempt well. The level was easy, but it was some, according to some students, they felt that the English section was a little bit tricky. So be careful while attending the questions. Read carefully the question and mark your answer. Okay, yeah, next level. Yeah guys, that's all it for today's session. So keep watching our channel for more updates on Intelligence Bureau, ACAO, and complete analysis of upcoming shift. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Tejas Classes, and thank you. Have a good day and all the best for your exam. Bye. Yeah guys, that's all for today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel, that is Tejas Classes, for more videos of various competitive examinations and complete analysis and complete material of your subjects. Okay.